Okay, time to cook rice. In sushi, rice is the foundation. Without rice, sushi is not sushi at all. And today we are cooking both sushi and sashimi, so therefore we have to have rice. So I bought this rice here today, but I don't feel like that's the best rice. It's kind of medium grain. It's not a short grain, so it's not the best. So I decided to mix some Chinese rice here, which is short grain. You can tell it's pretty short here. So that's a little bit better than that grain, which is medium grain. So I mix about 10% into this and then wash the rice. Now just put into a rice cooker. Simple. Pick white rice. That's it. Just cooking. So as simple as that. I show you guys how to season the rice after it's cooked.